The shift is complete. But this is not the end. This is just the beginning of how you operate in the world from this point forward. Over these 7 days, you've systematically rewired your nervous system, reprogrammed your mental patterns, and reclaimed your innate power. What began as separate elements has now integrated into a complete operating system within you. Let's integrate what you've built. The fire you ignited on day 1 now burns steadily within you, a constant source of motivation and drive that no one can extinguish. The strength you forged on day 2 has become your new foundation, unshakable, unwavering, the core from which you operate. The flow state you accessed on day 3 has dissolved your resistance to change, allowing you to move through obstacles rather than fighting against them. The transformation you underwent on day 4 has permanently altered how you see yourself, expanding your sense of what's possible. The present moment awareness you mastered on day 5 has sharpened your ability to direct your focus with laser precision, cutting through distraction and noise. The rejuvenation you experienced on day 6 has established new patterns of recovery and restoration, maintaining your edge through strategic renewal. The collective energy you tapped into on day 7 has connected you to something larger than yourself, multiplying your impact beyond individual limitations. These 7 elements have now fused together. The neural pathways we've activated have formed new connections, creating a network of power that operates automatically, beneath conscious thought. This is no longer something you do, it's who you are. Where do you go from here? First, maintain what you've built through consistent practice. Neural pathways strengthen with use and weaken with neglect. Return to these meditations regularly to reinforce your transformation. Second, bring this energy into movement. The body and mind are not separate systems. Join us at Hot Asana Yoga Studio to express this transformation physically, where heat accelerates neural adaptation and community amplifies your power. Third, share what you've experienced. The language, the insights, the shifts, pass them on. Transformation multiplies through connection. Fourth, watch for the signs of your evolution. Notice how differently you respond to challenges, how quickly you recover, how clearly you focus, how powerfully you show up in every aspect of your life. Fifth, remember that this is an ongoing process. The shift doesn't end today. It continues to unfold as you implement these principles daily. You've done more than complete a meditation series. You've fundamentally changed how your mind and body operate. You've tapped into capabilities that have always existed within you but remained dormant until now. You've experienced the shift, and nothing will be the same. Stay connected with us at hot_asana for what comes next. This is just the beginning of what we'll build together.